Okay. Fuel filter replacement on a Cat 287D. Was running, changed the filter, and the fuel pump did not prime. So, checked fuses, fuses were good. Checked out the relay, swapped it out with one that's inside. Back in there, because they're all the same. And that didn't turn up anything. Got a new fuel pump. That's the old one, obviously. Replaced it. Nothing. Turns out, after watching a few YouTube videos, they said, check the fuse. Sure enough, the fuse was blown. And she started priming again. And you can hear she's pretty damn loud when she primes. That's all.